Thanks for choosing China's famous floor coating supplier, Guangzhou Topu Floor Coating. Pressure resistance epoxy mortar floor consists of epoxy permeability primer coating, epoxy intermediate mortar coating, epoxy putty, and epoxy top coating. It has good features like environmentally friendly, wear resistance, impact resistance, smooth surface. It applies to industrial places requiring wear resistance, corrosion resistance, and decoration effect, such as garage, factory, especially for those industrial places that forklift frequently drive on. Next is the construction technology of solvent-free, pressure-resistance epoxy mortar floor. Instruments need to be prepared: dust-free grinding machine, angle grinder, vacuum cleaner, electronic scale, roller brush, trowel, scraper, mixer barrel, electric mixer, etc. Base treatment. Base treatment is essential for successful construction and the finished epoxy floor coating quality. Please pay high attention to that. Construction surface need to be smooth, strong, no water, no oil, and no hollowing. Construction for new concrete surface should be carried out 28 days after its finished time. Construction can start when the base reaches the standard compressive strength and moisture content. Polishing and spraying mortar according to actual need to remove latents and have a rough surface. Scrape coating epoxy permeability premier coating. Mix and stirring certain proportion of epoxy primer coating component A and hardener B evenly, and then scrape coating it on the treated surface to fill ground pores for increasing coating adhesion strength. Scrape coating the premier evenly to permeate better into concrete base, to increase bonding strength between coating and concrete surface. Pay attention to scrape coating evenly and consistently without pause. It is ready when the surface is fully covered. Scrape coating epoxy intermediate mortar coating. After the epoxy primer hard dry, mending the hollowing, crack, and not smooth place is required. The mending material is epoxy intermediate coating, mixing with quartz powder or quartz sand. After mending, scrape coating the ground with epoxy intermediate mortar coating, which is epoxy intermediate coating mixed with 80 to 100 mesh quartz sand. Quartz sand should be evenly on the ground. Polish epoxy intermediate mortar coating. After it's hard dry, polish the blade scratch and uneven surface to reach smoothness and clean the surface up. Scrape coating epoxy intermediate putty coating, adding certain amount putty or quartz powder to epoxy intermediate coating, and then scrape coating 1 to 2 times. Pay attention to the corner. The surface should be intransparent, without sand on the surface, no hollowing. Roll coating epoxy top coating. Roll coating the evenly mixed epoxy top coating. The overall color of the surface should stay the same. The surface should be without roller print and blister, and the color should be intransparent. When the construction is done, the construction place should be kept dust-free and sealed up. Under room temperature and dry environment, people can walk on it after 24 hours and can undertake heavy load after 72 hours. One can use mop with water or detergent for daily cleaning. Thanks for choosing Topu coating products and watching the construction technology of pressure resistance epoxy mortar floor.